Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with MuchDutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent voet or voet in English. This is how we say voet. Voet. With an article it is de voet. De voet. The plural form is voeten. Voeten. And with the article it is de voeten. De voeten. De voet. De voeten. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. We do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. And if there are any words you need help pronouncing in Dutch, just let us know in the comments, and we will get that word on MuchDutch as soon as possible. Tot ziens!